Hey Kelly, welcome or welcome back. So the one outdoor setup you can't live without in 2026? Let's have a proper look, shall we? Might say that this is a paid promotion. It's kind of is, kind of not. I've got to click the button for YouTube. It's a legal thing that we have to do in the UK, but it's actually a gift. I reached out to Ulefone and I really wanted this other model. I'll put it up on the screen here. And they said, I'll tell you what, we'll send you this one. And this one is the Amor 29 Pro night vision version, not the thermal, which is what I wanted. And they said if you can get to 10,000 views on this video, so like, subscribe, share around and all that jazz, they'll send me one of their flagship models. And then this phone could be a giveaway for you. But if you can share it and share it around, I will maybe chuck in the fossibot that we done a review on. It's got the night vision and all that jazz. But let's have a proper look at this phone, shall we? So this phone, what I've done is I've actually taped up the light on the back, the camping light, obviously because the nature of the game, right? But it does have a dedicated button, not like the fossibot. You can make it inactive. It's brilliant. It's got a back dial that you can press, and it brings up the time, your calendar and things like that. I'll put some of the specs up on the screen here for you now. It'll just scroll through, so if you want to pause, stop, carry on, all that sort of jazz. But yeah, I mean, I've loved it, and obviously the likes of what you've seen that this phone can do so far, you saw it on our Christmas video, you saw it on our shorts. The night vision on that one, I'll put them on the screen in a minute for you so you can have a proper look. The photos out of this thing, yeah, absolutely brilliant. Now, why do I say it is the one setup? It's less than 500 quid, right? It's less than 500 quid, and at the same time, I keep seeing these videos, yeah, you need to spend 4 grand, you need to spend 5 grand. Well, this, I mean, literally, I'll show you. Tara's over there with a dog playing. Phones here, literally, there we go. It is an absolute tank of a machine, not to be messed up by tank pros. This is the Ulefone, and yeah, I've washed it under the sink and all sorts. It's a brilliant bit of kit, and I honestly can't get my head around how cheap it is, and I think that's what we need. It's got 2 microphones there, you know, so it's a front-facing microphone. It's got your night vision, proper night vision. You know, you haven't got to spend thousands of pounds to get exactly what it is that you want. You can record at night time, you can mooch about, look at the wildlife, you know, follow owls and birds of prey or badger spotting, deers, stuff like that if you can get close enough, right? But it's a fantastic bit of kit, a phenomenal bit of kit. It's got like a 21,000 milliamp battery. Okay, it nearly weighs a kilo, but I'll tell you what, this is where I keep it. I keep it in my trouser pocket, and because I've used it for a good length of time now, it just feels like any other normal phone in my pocket. Perception and all that, yeah, it takes a bit of getting used to. I've got big hands, so that was an easier sort of transition for me, as it were. And also, it being a proper company and not like the fossibot, for instance, it's a dedicated mobile Android platform, and I've got YouTube on there. I've made most of the YouTube videos. In fact, all the YouTube videos since before Christmas have been made with this phone. So I love it. I absolutely love it. And Ulefone, yeah, they were really good, really understanding. The only problem I came up with, and this is my biggest issue, it came with a 2-pin plug. We're in the UK, but I'm not going to argue. It was gifted. That's the only downfall. It's got, I think it was like a 100-watt charger or something like that. I'll put it up on the screen so you can see. It's got like a 512 gig of storage, up to 1 terabyte or 2 terabytes, something like that. The TF slot or the SIM card slot on the side, it doesn't require one of those stupid little pins. I've got one on my necklace because of the other phones, or even the one I'm recording on. Yeah, those stupid little pins. It's got dual SIM. It's got memory card slot as well, so all that sort of stuff. It's got reverse charging too on the bottom. It's all sealed and everything else, so that reverse charging, when we've got like, I don't know, like your headphones and things like that, it's it's bloody good. You know, I can't go wrong on it. And it is my go-to phone now. It's my 24/7 phone. But yeah, it's got YouTube on there. It's got Discord on there. It's got WhatsApp. It's got absolutely everything you need. And the phone doesn't lag at all. No lag in it whatsoever. It is... I keep trying to find some form of fault with it. I keep trying. It's got a thumb sensor and NFC payments or whatever it is. It's fantastic. And the battery life, I can get rid of the 10,000 milliamp battery pack to charge the phone you're watching me on. And I've basically got 2 of them in one. I've charged it 3 full charges over it, and it was way before Christmas, and it's lasted. We've made the videos. Okay, we didn't make so many videos this year so far, you know why, but it's just one of those things, that ease and that use. And with that, I do solidly believe that I'm sick of seeing these other creators going, you need this Nikon Z bloody ZZ believe whatever, you need this microphone, you need that microphone, you need this lighting setup, you need this tripod. Really? I mean, the wide angle was enough. The wide angle was good enough. It's passable. The sound, it's okay. I mean, a better microphone pickup perhaps might have done it a bit stronger, but it's a tough armoured phone. You know, you literally can't go wrong with it. It is ace. It's fantastic, and I wouldn't be without it anymore. Since I've had it and tried it, I literally couldn't go back. And yes, it's not, you know, the camera's not like a Samsung. It's not like an iPhone and anything like that. But it's doable. I mean, it's more than doable. It's very capable. And yeah, I literally couldn't ask for anything better. Also, you got these 2 lights here. They're quite cool. They flash red and blue. So if you are in an emergency situation, you're a van lifer, anything like that, you can do those blue and reds on the side of the road if you break down, especially for recovery vehicles trying to find you, who you are. You know, those lights. It also comes with sirens built in. But again, I'll start putting more stuff up on the screen here as it starts scrolling through. But yeah, I mean, 50 megapixel main camera as well. Megapixels, if you're a photographer, you know, it's not about the megapixels, it's about the size of the set. It's not about the size, it's what you do with it, right? But no, it's phone sensors are tiny, big camera sensors are like that, so you're compressing all that information onto one sensor. But I'm not arguing. I mean, some of you may not have even noticed that we changed phones. Cameras, we don't have cameras, we've got phones. But some of you may never have even noticed, apart from the one that we done in Burnham where it's all shaky. Well, you're trying to hold nearly 1 kilo of phone and talk in the cold, and I didn't have the image stabilization turned on, so that was a bit of a faux pas on my part. It's a little bit hard to film yourself like that, but because of the wide angle, you don't need a selfie stick, and you can literally hold it like right up to your face like that and talk away, so you can lock off. But yeah, I mean, I keep trying to find fault with it. It got muddy. It got muddy at my stepdad's, and I was like, yeah, that's all right. I'll chuck it under the sink. It held out well. As you just seen, from here to pretty much where Tara is, I launched it just a minute ago. It's still working. It's still great. It's blimmin' good. It's really good. And I can't thank Ulefone enough for it. I just literally reached out. I tried my luck. And hey presto, something actually happened, and I was like, cool. I know there's a lot of hype online about bogus emails and stuff like that, and scams. There are a lot of scams out there, and that gets really difficult because when you get an email from a sponsor, you're like, oh yeah. We've even had some from Nomi Pro, we've had them from DJI, and we're like, oh yeah. Hold on a minute, it doesn't say .com at the end of the email or anything like that. So you've got to be careful. But a simple thing like ChatGPT, I've got it on that phone as well. Just a little bit of searching, yeah. Or when you've been at this for so long, you can actually start to find out fake emails, fake companies that are just phishing for your information and where they can send it and whereabouts you are in the country. So it's just good to ignore those ones. But Ulefone, because we reached out to them, yeah, I cannot thank Ulefone enough. And when it comes down to it, I mean, living this lifestyle and having something less than 500 quid that's waterproof, bomb-proof, in your pocket 24/7. You can film at night, you can film in the day, you can film anytime. I can't find anything wrong with it whatsoever. But yeah, the weight is a little bit excessive. But it's the battery pack. It is a battery station in itself. Not only that, is yes, you can get a USB to USB-C to charge it, because the plug basically comes USB-C to C. Not a problem. Reverse charging, you can just bung it in the phone and charge Tara's phone, for instance, that we watch YouTube on in the evenings and we chill out to. Things like that. So it's what else can I say? It's a fantastic bit of kit. Absolutely brilliant. You know, I'd seriously go over, I'll leave a link down in the description, go over and have a look at them. Buy one seriously. I wouldn't normally say that with our reviews unless we truly believe in it, but I would say, yeah, definitely buy one. I mean, Tara's too little. There's dog. What do you think of it?
Well, I was just going to say, actually, that this is how impressed with it he is. He's determined to keep it unless he gets the 10,000 views and gets the other one he wants.
Like I said, it could be a giveaway if you help to share this video and get us to 10,000 views on it.
Yeah, spread the word.
Do it. But yeah, little do you know, Tara has actually used it and she does like it. But I mean, also on the side, there's one thing I forgot to mention. You see those pins? Those pins you can attach like a microphone to, a microscope to. You can attach a snake cam to it. So like when they're sliding the cameras underneath the doors, yeah, you can attach that, and it comes with its own like selfie stick for it, because obviously it's a bit too thick for any sort of selfie stick I've found yet. I don't know, let me know what you think down in the comments, if there is such a thing as a selfie stick. Anyone that knows me knows I've got a selfie stick issue. I'm always adapting new ones and everything. However, what I did with this one was putting the Velcro on the back on the camping light. I've managed to get another bit of hard Velcro and it just literally slaps on. When I was in my sister's partner's car the other day, I realised they had a Velcro strip on the back of the car. I literally chucked the phone up on there watching YouTube going down the motorway. Bonus! So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, go over to Ulefone, have a look at them. It's the Armour 29 Pro night vision version. This one, absolutely fantastic. Go over. I know some of you are actually looking for a new phone and you were waiting for this review to come about. And I said I was going to pit it against the other two, the fossibot and the Alcatel. This wins, hands down, for me personally. You may have other ideas, smaller budgets, tighter budgets. Go over and have a look at those old phones that I reviewed too. The fossibot has the real long range night vision. It's bloody awesome. The dog's running past me. The Alcatel phones, the WP61 Plus, I think it is, something like that. The night vision wasn't too great on it. And then the night vision on this phone, yeah, at least I can see where I'm walking without like such a big bright light shining at the floor. And obviously you've got to think of emissions, that if it's emitting that beam being pushed right out, anyone with a night vision sensor is just go, oh, they're over there. So it's nice to have a little bit more low glow, not no glow, but low glow camera and phone and night vision anyway. So gonna leave it there for you, Cully. We are back to normal now. There's no point essentially dwelling on things, but yeah, we're back, we're awesome, we're cool, we're ready to rock and roll, and we'll have lots more hints, tips and all sorts of jazz coming up for you. So until next time, Cully, happy hopping.